Oh, shoot. It seems to be a little dark in here. Let me see what is going on. Yeah, the lights are out. Only your fancy solar energy-based virtual assistant is running like supposed to. You're welcome, by the way. You have about 15 minutes to make dinner for you both. That should be a challenge.
What do I do now?
Oh wait, you cannot see. I totally forgot about that. Okay, ask me where are the things you need, and I'll figure my way out. I guess you are going to need a pot, some pasta, cheese, the salt sugar and some pepper.
Where's the pot?
Now follow these very realistic pot noises. Okay, now thank the pot for speaking up and move on.
Thank you?
Now, you must fill it with water by the sink, drop the pasta in and take it to the stove.
Where's the water?
The water comes from the sink.
Where's the sink? Thank you. Thank you.
All right, it's cooking time. But be careful, though. If you cook it for more than 30 seconds, your pasta will go bananas and set your kitchen on fire. I've seen it doing that in the past. I have reasons to believe your kitchen is filling up with smoke already. It would be nice to turn off the stove and turn on a fan or open a window before suffocation begins.
Where's the fan? Thank you. Thank you. Where is the table? Thank you.
Congratulations. You managed to cook mac and cheese on your first date. That will definitely make an impression. Speaking of impression, I think I can hear them in the driveway. I did all I could for you today, the rest is up to you. Good luck.